Hello, my friends on the internet. Welcome back. And in today's video, I just want to quickly take you through like the updates on our Next.js Academy. So this is our product, this sub-product was built by us, and you can see we are having like Master Next.js and Accelerate Your Dev Career. So I've been talking about this product where most of you have been watching my videos know what's going on with this product. And this is where we are sharing courses with you guys. And most of you who are developers, you know what this means, like having free courses on what you want to learn, getting like something very quickly and learning faster. So we come with courses for you. Some are free, some are paid. And this is for you to change like your lives and really earn something also. Most of the developers who are like coming from, who are freelancing, they normally like get gigs. For example, I have like Upwork. You can see we have like gigs. Next.js developer needed for web application project. They are paying like $5 to 15. And if you're a freelancer, you don't have like any earning, that money is really okay. And they have a number of courses here. So what's like going on here? If you're a developer and you have like something you want to learn, you can come and share with us here so that we make that course. And also, you're free like to give us any updates on what you want to learn, and we can also do that for you. Also, this is like to really help others who want to learn when they have like, they don't have much, but they want to learn. So this sub we build in public, and that's why we have like such courses here on this platform. And you can see Next.js Beta Auth free. The course is free. We have like React Native Expo. We have Full-Stack, Invoice Generator, like SaaS with Stripe. A number of courses are in here. And I'm going to link like this link in the description so that any one of you who has any idea of any course you want, we can build it for you. And the updates I came with, like we have a bootcamp. You can see it's a 1 month full stack Next.js bootcamp. And this one is going to be a game changer, like for those who want to start Next.js straight away. Those of you who want to integrate payment integrations in your applications, you're a developer, you're a business owner, and this like works across. You want to learn, you don't know nothing like about coding, you can just get started with us. Like you can join. We have this call to action. You can see you can join. It's just 100,000 and you can try it out. What's going to be in here? Like it's going to be fun. Like week 1, you will see like the development like of the environmentals and TypeScript fundamentals and all that. Like week 2, you'll be like the React patterns, UI, UX excellence. Those of you who want to get started with Tailwind and all that. So week 3, we shall look at database design and authentication. So we shall just start like the full stack. And the week 4, you will learn like payment processing and how you can get like the payment integrations, the applications. So of course, this is our mentor. Okay, John Baptist, he will be the one like on this. And this is like really going to change a lot of people's lives. Most of the companies have like those intern students who want to learn things and we don't have access to them. Like they have also us, we have like those courses. You want to become a full stack from scratch, starting from front end. And the money is really crazy, but this is just a giveaway where someone is going to just come and grab something. It may be an internship student who is working in a company, and you can just grab this course for yourself. So thank you guys. I'm going to link this in the description so that you can really grab it and change your lives. Of course, I've not shown you how you can you can enroll, and it's just this button, enroll now. You just fill in here, and like the payments will be made either by mobile money, like you have a card, a bank, all that. So thank you guys, and I would like also to thank those who have really managed to subscribe to my YouTube channel, those who are watching the content. We were working on Mount School system, and guys, we are really happy on that, and I'm bringing updates on it as well. So thank you, and I would like to end here, and goodbye.